Hello, it's Janine here. I hope you're well. So today's video is going to help you let go of stress. Today we're going to do some tapping, what's called emotional freedom technique, otherwise known as tapping, EFT. What tapping does, it cleverly reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. How do we know? Because it's been measured. If you need to know any more about tapping, there's lots of other videos that I've done on this. We can point you in that direction, but today we're going to look at stress. So I want you to focus for a moment. When you feel stressed, how does that feel? Where do you feel that in your body? How does that affect you physically? How does it affect you mentally? How does it affect you emotionally? And just really get into those feelings for a moment. You're in high stress, whether it's work, relationships, whatever it is, and you can feel that. And that feels commonplace, that stress. It feels like it's around a lot. So I just want you to maybe 10 being really, really stressed and no stress at all. Just give that a number on a scale of 0 to 10 and really notice in your body where you feel that stress. You might feel in your chest or your stomach. These are the kind of feeling centres. And we're going to start doing some tapping so we can help you let go of that stress. So just notice that, just check in for a moment. And then I want you to start tapping on the side of your hand. And whatever I say, just taking care of your own well-being, just copy what I say. I'm going to say a sentence and then you just go with it for me. So even though I'm feeling all this stress and I feel like it's been around for a long time, I just want to be able to let some of that go today. And instead, I choose to accept myself anyway, and anyone else that might be around me. But I've been feeling all this stress. I can notice it somewhere in my body. Just maybe giving it a number, one number that comes to mind. And I just want to be open to letting some of that go today. And instead, I choose to accept me now, choosing to feel more calm and relaxed. But I can feel all this stress, all this tension, and I can feel it in my body. And it's around a lot of the time. I just want to be able to let some of that go. And I just want to feel in a more relaxed place, feeling more centred, just letting some of those feelings go today. And I choose to accept me now anyway, and maybe anyone else that might be involved. That's great, so start tapping around the points. So I can feel all this stress, and it feels really strong. And it might have been around for a long time, and I can feel it somewhere in my body, maybe my stomach or my chest. And I really struggle with so many aspects of my life, because this stress just feels like it's around all the time. It's a negative thought cycle. I can't seem to get off this stress wheel. And I'm feeling all these worries, all these negativities. And I'm just focusing on that number. But what if I could just let go some of this stress? What if I could just choose to feel more calm and relaxed? What if I could let this stress bounce off and away? Imagine what that might feel like. Just choosing to feel in a more relaxed space. I just don't want to hold on to this stress. I can feel it in my body. It often feels all knotted and tight. Keeps me awake at night. I just want to be able to let some of that go today. Instead, I want to feel more calm and relaxed. I want to feel much more in control. Maybe I don't need to hold on to these stressful thoughts. What if I could just let go? Being open to letting go of this stress today. I get to choose. And I don't get to choose what happens outside of me, but I do get to choose how I react to them. So I want to be open to letting go of this stress. I simply don't want to feel these feelings in my body. Instead, I want to feel more calm and relaxed. I want to be open to letting go. It feels good just to be able to let go. Breathing into feelings of calm, feeling more relaxed and free. Feeling lighter and lighter even as I tap. Just being open to letting go now. through every single cell in my body. That's wonderful. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And maybe just close your eyes for a moment. Maybe just check in with that number. Hopefully it should have gone down. That's what normally happens. You can carry on repeating this video over. You can go away and tap for yourself. If you need any more information, obviously you can get in touch. You've got my details there. And just really notice how you feel. As I say, you can repeat this, and do let me know how you get on as well. I hope that's lowered. You're feeling less stressed. You're feeling a bit more calm, relaxed, in control. And do enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.